Hi, I'm Ardit and I'm excited to welcome you to this course where you will be exploring the power of ChatGPT to build Python automations and apps with zero coding experience. In this course, we'll start by getting you familiar with ChatGPT, a powerful AI which can write Python code for you. Then I'll show you how to install a tool to execute the Python code that ChatGPT will generate for you so that you can get the desired results, the output of your programs. So you'll be equipped to run any Python program in your computer. And then we'll dive into how to query ChatGPT to write Python scripts and automate things like generating hundreds of files at once, modifying existing files, and other batch operations on different types of files. Then we'll use ChatGPT to write Python programs that analyze and visualize data, especially focusing on processing large amounts of data and files, which can be hard to do in programs such as Microsoft Excel. After that, you learn how to build web apps and then desktop GUI apps. So basically, you learn how to build all the popular types of programs using ChatGPT and Python. With 5 comprehensive sections, you'll get hands-on experience building real programs, and by the end of the course, you'll have the skills to write accurate queries for ChatGPT to communicate accurately with ChatGPT so that you can get working Python applications out of ChatGPT. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone with an interest in automating things and creating apps, this course will show you the power of ChatGPT in the field of programming. So, ready to turn your ideas into programs? Let's get started. I'll see you in the next video.